Okay, now we continue from part 1. This time, we are not using cellular data. We use home Wi-Fi, but still fail to connect because we need to do some setup. Okay, now I want to show you how to set up this Anycast M9 Plus device. We go to the setting, and this is my home Wi-Fi, and looking for this EWA. This is a EWA SSID, and this is a password and the IP address. First step, connect to EWA and key in the password. Okay, now it's connected. And then go to Safari. Yes, mobile data is turned off because we are using home Wi-Fi. Okay, we key in IP address 192.168.203.1. Now we log in to Anycast setting and we click internet. Okay, it will scan our Wi-Fi. 124 is my home Wi-Fi. Okay, then key in your home Wi-Fi password. Okay, don't worry, this is a one-time setup. Look at the right top corner. Okay, now our Anycast is connected to our home Wi-Fi, and the IP address also changed. Don't be so hurry to connect because still unable to screen mirroring. You know why? Because we need to restart the Anycast device and switch on Anycast. We screen mirroring again and connect to this EWA device. Okay, now we managed to screen mirroring to TV screen. Okay, we can play YouTube, playing game, watch video, and you can control the volume through your mobile phone. If you don't want to use, you can stop the mirroring. Okay, and even Android phone also can work with the setting that you set up just now. This is my home Wi-Fi, and this is my home Wi-Fi IP address. Look at this button, and I will press and hold about 7 seconds. It will reset back to the default setting.